Hey you guys, it's your girl Cherie here with another video, and yeah, let me hit you with the slow motion extraness because I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. Keep watching. Hey you guys, so I am starting out on a 9-day-old wash and go. This was the Afro Sheen wash and go that I did in my last video, I believe. As you can see, it is dry, it is stiff, and it needs to be redone. So we're starting off with water. Gonna add some more Afro Sheen leave-in and the texture and cream setting gel. And I just detangled here so that I could get everything easier to manage from that wash and go state. And what I'm going to do with these twists to begin our curly hair look is to put them into cocoon curls. Cocoon curls are similar to Bantu knots. You start them with a twist, and what is different about them here is the way that you wrap them around and kind of knot them at the ends, which makes them unique from Bantu knots, but it gives you an equally nice curl without having the knot sticking up on top of your head, which is not as comfortable to sleep in, etc., etc. I'm going to do this a couple of times so that you can see how it is done, and hopefully this is clear enough that you get the gist of what I'm doing. So once that was done, I let that stay in for about a day. And they look nice and juicy here actually too. Those Afro Sheen products do pretty good on my hair, I have to say. I'm using the 3-in-1 nourishing oil to just apply a little bit to my hand so that I reduce the amount of frizz. I mean, really, I don't know if that's really necessary because we are going to pick the you-know-what out of this hair, and so it's going to be some frizz. But anyway, it's just force of habit at this point. So the first half of my hair is completely taken out, fluffed out, separated. This is probably pretty minimal fluffing and separating. I mean, this is more than I would do on a typical day, but you can definitely tell the difference from this side and the side that has not been fluffed and separated. And here we go. We have both sides fluffed and separated. You guys, this took quite a while to pick out. It took quite a while to separate and quite a while to pick out to get the amount of volume that you see at the end here. But basically, I'm going in section by section. This might even work better if you do it in small sections, so you can actually like keep up with what you've picked out, but it's easier to do it with your hair out so you can see the full picture and see the shape of your hair. I am just kind of holding on to the ends of my hair, going in with this pick and pulling from the root up, but not pulling all the way through my hair. We don't want to rip the hair out, and we don't want to be really rough with this, but you kind of go in an upward motion and pick until you get your desired volume. You're kind of elongating your curls and disrupting their pattern, but just fluffing and picking until it gets to the volume and the length and the height and all that stuff that you want. Okay, and so once you finish picking and getting the volume you desire, you can kind of manipulate it even further by using your hands and just kind of pulling at the ends and just kind of giving more of that random definition that you kind of see where I have some curls that are just kind of out by themselves. It's really up to you. And that's really it, you guys. Let me know if you learned anything from this video, if you're going to try this style out for yourself, if you heard of cocoon curls before. Next time, you guys, as always, don't forget to live out loud, own your truth, and let your light shine. Bye.